I was over there, what?
You were over where?
I was over there, what?
Over where?
Over there. I was like right there. You were over here? Oh, okay. Oh, fuck.
Yeah, so this is technically the third week of racing, but it's also technically the first race of weeking.
What?
Yeah, so it's rained out the past 2 weeks, so there has been no racing going on. There was a test and tune in between that. We were too busy with work. We didn't show up.
Yeah, it was like around Thursday or something.
It was a Thursday night, which is just cool. It's awesome. Like, you know, if we could get more of that, that would be good. Because then we could actually like try stuff rather than showing up race day after 3 weeks of not racing and being like,
try.
Yeah, let's
right
try.
There, yeah.
Our one of our sponsors for the year, STS. Last weekend was supposed to be their weekend. Sponsor the whole track, sponsor the race. Their night of racing. What do you call that? Their
night, yeah.
Their night? Yeah, or whatever. Their night. The season opener, the points opener would have been last week. But because of the rain, they obviously didn't race. So we had them come out, show the shop, and check it out, and hang out, and just kind of be teamly. So yeah, STS, shout out to those guys. They came out last week and hung out. Sucks for them that they didn't get a chance to have their night at the track, but see the car in peak performancing action. We've had to do a little bit to the car. We had to change out. So since the test and tune, I did compression tests on the motor. It was junk. So thankfully, Chris at Blackwell Racing Heads, when we were down seeing him, he sent us home with a nice new head. So he set us up with that. Super awesome. We haven't got to try it yet. So tonight's a test and tune night. We'll see how it goes. I've been back and forth with him on a bunch of stuff. Probably gonna try and do hot laps tonight, only because I want to kind of shake this thing down and see what's going on before we jump right into heat racing. That's all the people I know in that. I don't know who the rest of these people are. So. I think a plug wire came off or something. I think we were only running on 3 cylinders.
Running good before, and then now it sounded like it dropped a hole in the past.
Pull plugs, maybe check the timing quick.
What do you want to do?
I just want to check to see what's going on with
more plugs? Any more spark plugs?
at the shop.
Nice.
Low temperature fucking right.
We're gonna stick it back in.
What Danny's got. Fuck, I'm just begging everybody for stuff.
Do I pull another plug out
Oh, obviously.
and see if it's an auto light?
Do them all. Do them all. It's just. I'll go see. I'll go beg somebody else for some more parts.
What do you want to do? Put that and splice it?
Fuck it, let's splice it. I've been through like 3 pits. Nobody's got those big fuses. So, the fuel pump wire shaping against the body. Toby's even found that. We rectified that. That's fixed. They pulled out the plugs. All the insulators on the plugs were all fucking broken. So that's no good. So thankfully our buddy Johnny Lubeck had 4 plugs sitting there waiting.
Oh, nice.
And we hot wired the fucking fuse where the fuse was on this, because nobody around here has fuses for anything. And like my truck's, the truck one's not even fucking close. So we hot wired that, putting plugs in. Joey and Seth, Reno decided to go steal plug wires off of Joey's Lincoln so that we can have some plug wires, and yeah, that's where we're at.
What happened? Deep breath.
Car just kept shutting off.
Yeah.
Yeah. It would run totally fine, and then it would just fucking kill everything. Everything would just fucking no throttle, no nothing, no response. And then it would either refire or, you know, buddy stalled over here after I fucking just missed that accident. And then it stopped, and I'm like, all right, fuck. Gave me a push, and it fired right back up, and put it in first, and it fucking revved to the moon, totally fine. And I'm like, okay, well, fucking drop it in second.
Drop down. Snap.
So needless to say, we're gonna be fucking with this thing this week. Change out the coil, maybe the coil's fucking gone bad. Change out the modular. We have one. We have another module. We have another one here, but fucking thing's been running fucking great all this fucking time. Put her under pressure and fucking collapses. The worst part is, it felt so good when it was running good.
It's really cool being out there.
You like your first?
Yeah, it's kind of annoying. I have to keep spinning in circles, but
just fucking doing this.
because before I could just do this, right, back and forth, but now I got to do this the whole fucking time. Okay, bye.
Cry myself to sleep. My wife's gonna be like, I told you so. Stupid racing. I told you. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Comment down below. Let me know what you think it is. Support your local dirt track. We'll see you guys next time. I'm gonna go cry.